Are you ready to unlock the potential profits of Smartcoin in 2025? Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or just starting out, this video will break down the key events and trends that shaped Smartcoin's journey in Q1 2025. Stay tuned to learn how this digital asset performed and what the future holds. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Smartcoin Chronicles, where we explore the latest trends and analyses in the crypto world. Today, we're diving into Smartcoin's performance in Q1 2025, unpacking the highs, the lows, and everything in between. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a deep dive into the world of crypto. Before we get into the details, let's quickly touch on why quarterly analysis is crucial for both investors and enthusiasts. Crypto markets are fast-moving and ever-evolving, and understanding how Smartcoin performed over the past 3 months can provide valuable insights to guide your investment decisions in the future. Q1 2025 Performance Overview. Start by looking at Smartcoin's performance in Q1 2025. Over the last quarter, Smartcoin experienced notable fluctuations in price, seeing significant gains at the start of the year, followed by a dip. Broader market conditions adjusted. This kind of volatility is typical for crypto markets, but what stands out is Smartcoin's recovery and gradual growth towards the end of Q1. Price performance. Smartcoin opened Q1 2025 at an exciting new high, priced at $8.50 per coin, marking a solid 20% increase compared to the previous quarter. However, following the global market adjustments in early February, Smartcoin experienced a temporary pullback, dropping to $7 per coin. By the end of March, the coin was trending upwards again, reaching $8.25 per coin. This shows strong resilience, and in the world of crypto, that's a great sign. Volume and market capitalization. Looking at the trading volume and market capitalization, we can see some interesting trends. In Q1 2025, Smartcoin's trading volume surged during the first 2 weeks of January, largely driven by bullish sentiment and investor optimism. As the market corrected in February, trading volume dropped, but by March, volume picked up again as more retail investors and institutional players began re-entering the market. This is a key indicator that Smartcoin's liquidity is strengthening, which is great for long-term growth. Key trends shaping Smartcoin's Q1 now. Let's zoom in on some of the bigger trends that have shaped Smartcoin's Q1 performance. Broader market sentiment. The overall crypto market sentiment was a major factor in Smartcoin's performance this quarter. While Bitcoin and Ethereum led the way, their movements had a direct impact on altcoins, including Smartcoin. When Bitcoin's price surged, it created a ripple effect that boosted investor confidence and led to some Smartcoin rallies. On the other hand, market corrections affected all coins, including Smartcoin. Still, Smartcoin has demonstrated a unique ability to bounce back stronger than expected. Regulatory developments. Regulation is always a key factor in crypto's growth, and in Q1 2025, we saw some new regulations come into play. In the US, there were talks of clearer crypto regulations, which have added an element of stability to the market. For Smartcoin, these regulatory developments are beneficial, as they help reduce uncertainty for investors. In fact, Smartcoin's ability to adapt to regulatory changes has made it a more attractive option for both institutional and retail investors. Technological advancements and adoption. Technology has been one of the driving forces behind Smartcoin's rise, especially this quarter. Smartcoin continues to innovate, with improvements in its blockchain protocol that promise faster transaction speeds and reduced costs. These updates not only improve the user experience, but also position Smartcoin for mass adoption. Partnerships with tech companies and growing interest in its ecosystem have significantly boosted investor confidence. The more people use Smartcoin, the stronger its position becomes in the market. Q2 2025 Outlook and Predictions. Looking ahead to Q2 2025. What's next for Smartcoin? Based on Q1's performance and the current market conditions, we anticipate continued growth for Smartcoin in the second quarter. There are a few key factors to keep in mind. Increased institutional adoption. The trend of institutional investors entering the crypto space is expected to continue. If Smartcoin can capture a larger portion of institutional interest, we could see a significant rise in its price and market cap. Continued regulatory clarity. With more regulatory clarity expected in 2025, Smartcoin's position in the market could strengthen, especially if global regulations become more favorable for crypto projects. Technological developments. The expected technological upgrades will play a major role in driving Smartcoin's success. If the coin can maintain its technological edge and offer a seamless user experience, it will continue to attract new users and investors. Price predictions for Q2. If these trends continue, we predict Smartcoin could see a price increase of up to 15 to 20% by the end of Q2 2025. However, like any investment, there are risks involved, and it's essential to stay informed. Are you bullish on Smartcoin's performance in Q2 2025? Share your thoughts.